themselves in their various places of work. That is why His Excellency decided to host this important occasion. Due to the time factor, Your Excellency, sir, I will quickly hand over the microphone to the Chairman, Nigeria Labour Congress, Kano State Council, Comrade Kabir to give us the welcome.
Of the greatest Nigerian worker, of the greatest wiki worker, greatest Bobo, of the greatest Mandora, Primo Bossa, Doom. I want to say, I want to affirm, I want to present these three fundamental Bossa to our great chairman. Bossa.
أعوذ بالله السميع من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلى الله على النبي الكريم. Solidarity forever. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kano State, H.E Yusuf, in the next few minutes, Comrade Abba Yusuf, Inshallah. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Kano State, Comrade H.E Your Excellency, we thank you for Wednesday. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kano State, on Wednesday, for everyone who knows our useful and agile Comrade Gorzo that have been passing by the governors, happens to be the one receiving the match pass. We were happy. The elation was smooth. Thank you, Your Excellency. God's wisdom has no amount. We thank God for you, Your Excellency, Deputy Governor. We thank God for the achievements you have had, and you made us proud as Congress. The Chief of Staff, Right Honorable Speaker, House of Assembly, Honorable Commissioner of Health, Honorable Commissioner of Works, our Father, the H.E Gov, Special Advisor, Civil Service, and all other, the Head of Civil Service, sir, our mentor and father, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Your Excellency, I am honored to stand before you today as we celebrate this May Day Award and Dinner Night, hosted by you in Government House. This grand occasion provides us with the opportunity to reflect on the hard work and dedication of our labor force, and to recognize their invaluable contributions to the growth and development of our dear state. The occasion equally avails us with yet another opportunity to highlight some crucial issues that require immediate attention as contained in our demands during the Grand Rally on Wednesday. Overview of government activities. Your Excellency, numerous activities impacted on civil servants. We are proud of one that was mentioned that day as contained in our speech, the payment of 6 billion naira to pensioners. I am proud to tell all our comrades that the labor we did not even meet the idea of approaching government for the payment of gratuities. But the governor, in his infinite wisdom, directed for the payment and release of 6 billion naira to pensioners in Kano State.
Three vibration Bossa to our governor. Bossa. Kausa, Mungode.
Your Excellency, we are happy. Pensioners suffered. Pensioners underwent a lot of sufferings in Kano State. But immediately after the resolution of Governor of Kano State, their tears were shed. Most especially the ones whose money is going to be used to marry their daughters, whose money is going to be used to get a house, a shelter to sleep. We sincerely appreciate this. We We sincerely appreciate timely payment of salaries. We sincerely appreciate payment of pensions without deductions. We sincerely appreciate sponsoring of our members to foreign universities to further their studies. Your Excellency, we are grateful. We are just making an overview of the speech. I will not take much of your time because I know there is a lot of schedule that you are attend. This year's May Day's theme is People First. If I say in Kano, our government, our governor is a governor that believes in the culture of people first, am I right? Yes. Your Excellency, the comrades acknowledge that you are using people first culture in administering Kano. We sincerely appreciate you. Lastly, Your Excellency, during our speech, we made mention of some demands because it is expedient to at least make mention of how we at Labour transform from confrontation to cooperation, collaboration, and contestation. If need be, we contest. Your Excellency, the philosophy of cooperation, collaboration, and contestation did not stop us from saying no. We will equally say no, making sure that our no is on behalf of workers. And we shall continue to say no on whatever affects workers that we feel we are supposed to advise government to do the needful. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. On our demands, we demand for having at least a committee that will look into the staggering backlog of 75 billion naira pension. We have laws in Kano State, and those laws made provision that if you deduct and refuse to remit, you will be prosecuted. We have to at least have a committee that will look into the unremitted funds. Were they deducted? Why were they not remitted? How do we recoup the money? By recouping this money, Your Excellency, the backlog is 75 billion. The liability is only 45. We will have the opportunity to have assets that is worth 20 billion in our pension house. Secondly, Your Excellency, I will not stand anywhere without complimenting the efforts of people that are managing healthcare delivery in Kano. Kano State Contributory Healthcare System is a bilateral agreement between the government and the labor. It takes years for us to agree to venture into the program. We have the belief without the board will not function as it is supposed to be. We are demanding for the constitution of the board of Kano State Contributory Healthcare Scheme as it was so done to the Pension Trust Fund. We sincerely appreciate the Executive Secretary. She is always going to hospitals, from one hospital to the other. We are proud of the way she is working. Your Excellency, she is representing you. Your Excellency, doctor is doing her best. She even co-opted the head of civil service during fasting for us to be going around the hospitals to make sure things are done well. We sincerely appreciate her. Yet, we want to have a board that will help her. It is in the law, contained in the law, that there must be a board. We are advising our administration. Administration we identify with. Administration we believe we are all out to assist that the needful shall be done. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Without taking much of our time, Your Excellency, may I remind of what I said here during our Ramadan fasting break about our universities. Still, they are talking about the payment of 20,000 naira wage award. Please, Your Excellency, we realize this through our investigation. We observed that they are supposed to pay by themselves. Government is not supposed to give them because they have their allocations. Your Excellency, we are begging the government to talk to the management of these institutions to kindly and magnanimously give them that money. They are working day and night for you, Your Excellency, because you believe in education. Thank you very much. Lastly, I would like to commend the effort of our labor leaders. Despite the hardship we are experiencing, you are in the stadium in your thousands, making the event glamorous. In labor attires, I never expect that the unions can at least bring more than 20 or 30 per union. But I see some with 500, some with 400, all in their labor attires. Congratulations to us all, congratulations to Kano State, and congratulations to the labor movement in Kano State. Solidarity forever and people united. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.